What's going on, guys? Cody from Motorcycle MD, and in this video we are celebrating the end of the entire KZ400 build. It is completely done. I don't even have it anymore. The past, we'll say, month, I've been gathering up all of the footage that I've had of that bike, stretching back 3 to 4 years even, when this garage wasn't even what it is today, which was pretty cool to look at, and I combined it into some footage for you guys to see, as well as a final walk around of what the bike turned out to be. There is some portions of this video that is never before seen. It's stuff that I just did, shot when no one was looking, you know, and I wanted to keep it for a day like this. And it's been really cool to look back and just see where the bike was and kind of what it turned into. Unfortunately, there was stuff that wasn't shot, you know. There was some segments of me working on the bike, and even when it came down to the final paint job that I did in the garage, some of it wasn't shot, but there is some details and some information that I'll share with you at the end of this. Personally, I'm proud of the bike. You know, there's very cool things that you can do with motorcycles if you have the right amount of budget and the right amount of money and you know the right person. I'm trying to make a custom one-off, modern, functional, which was the key thing that I wanted to keep embedded in this bike at a good price, was the ultimate goal, and I think that we were able to achieve it. So feel free in the comments to let me know what you think about the bike. Doesn't really matter because it's done and I like it, but if you want to jump to the end, you can go ahead and do that, or just enjoy this time lapse as we ventured from nothing to what it is today. Enjoy. So this footage right here is the only painting that I got on camera. I went through many different styles, variations, palettes even to come up with what we did. But this is ultimately how the rest of the bike was painted. It had 3 different coats, and we finished everything off with a 2K clear coat, all done with rattle can. This entire bike was done with rattle can. You can say that that was a bad idea. I don't care. It turned out as well as I was hoping it would. And again, with multiple layers of paint and multiple layers of clear coat, with some wet sanding and getting things smooth as we could, I like it. Tell me what you think. Is a wrap on the KZ400. Brett, enjoy the bike, brother. If you're watching this, I'm sure I'll see you around. It's an old bike, things happen, you know. But thank you all for just going along with the process with me on this bike. Again, this was the first bike I've ever done all of my own work on, you know, and to get things up and going, and I'm really satisfied with it. Again, thank you guys. I'll see you guys very soon. Later.